How you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be doing a sound check on the Vance Hines Monster Oval Slip-Ons, part number 16753 and 16755. They're going to be done on my 2015 Touring Harley Davidson. The sound that you're hearing right now is with the Monster Oval without True Dual. If you decide to install True Duals on your bike with the Monster or any other pipes, the sound is going to be slightly different. You're going to get a little more of a pitch sound on it with True Dual compared without the True Dual. When I first got the bike, I installed the Vance Hines oversized 450 type, and the sound was great. You know, I really liked it, but they were a little too loud for if you were considering going on a long ride. I tried installing baffles on the Titan 450, but that ended up being a total nightmare. So I made some research and I decided to go with the Monster Oval. I had a good reviews, and also the Monster Ovals come with baffles already installed compared to the Titans. They don't bring baffles. That's why they're a little more louder than the Monster Oval. But I think the Monster Oval are more designed for touring, you know, for putting 500 miles, not complaining about your hearing, you know, or noise. I hope that with this video it will help you on making a decision on selecting the right pipes for your bike.